Hello family and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's lovely having you come by. On today's video, I will be taking you along my journey of making and packaging of some of my products. I will be using paraffin wax with fragrance oils such as lavender and jasmine, musk, etc. I will also be restocking my extra virgin castor oil, beard oil and hair growth oil.
Because I'm not no green, I'm gonna be mixing blue and yellow. I think I'm gonna mix blue and yellow with green, I think. Yeah. Mix it, blue and yellow. Come good. Pour some. I pour the yellow already. Pour the yellow, so I'm gonna pour some. I can pour some green and then start all over again.
So I've just bottled some castor oil. Guys, remember, if you need your castor oil, these are 100% Jamaican castor oil. This can also be used as a laxative. Nothing are added to these castor oil. The only thing that are in my castor oil, I name it Ricinus communis. Yeah, 100%. 100% extra dark, extra black virgin castor oil. So I have these. I have the dark one and I have the extra dark one. So remember, if you need your castor oil, it can be used externally and internally. Yeah, like that. Yeah, see there, 100% extra black virgin castor oil. I also have, as usual, I also have beard oil. These are made with black Jamaican castor oil as well. These are great to help to promote beard growth. So I have all these where you can get. So I'm just packing up. I'm just doing some refilling now. I'm restocking. So hence why you see this place is like this. So I am restocking because the ones I had, they sold out. So I have a few orders. I'm just bottling up some so that I can get them ready to be shipped out. And we have some scented candles. We have all these bags each. They're for 10 each. You have a nice decorative red, green, and gold candles, different shapes. The big rose candle as well, red, green, and gold. Some of your tenner. You have candles like these, black, green, and yellow. Let me show you another combination. This one is, it's a round flower, and you have another small rose petal inside, and then you have a female body. All these are for a 10 pounds each. For each of these you have more than one candles in it, and they're big candles and wax melt. So yeah, this is another one, red, green, and gold. They have nice rose flowers, a nice female body here. And here is another one. We have the cylinder candle here, red, green, and gold. We have another one here with some rope effect. We have the rose inside as well. So in one of these packages, guys, these are all for 10 pounds, a tenner. And you have a nice scented candles. This is one with a male body, a rose round, and a female body. So a male and a female body is in this one. This one, did I show you this one also? You have a male and a female body, red, black, green, and gold. In these ones, we also have these bubble candles. So I'm just doing some restocking. I have some of these that I'm doing now as well. These are black, yellow, and green as well. So yep, that's what I'm up to in today's workshop. This is what is going on in the workshop today. So I'm doing some candles that will be ready. We're having an event coming up weekend, so we're gonna have some of these products on show for sale. We do candles for different events. So if you want a color scheme candles like a baby shower, or you know, if it's somebody's birthday and you want to work on a special color scheme, we got that covered. So yes guys, so these are my candles that I make, and I'm just getting them ready because we have an event coming up where we're gonna be displaying our stuff. So guys, thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you soon. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just want you lying next to somebody who knows how to love like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come
you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.